In this video, we're going to be mounting the side stand. That's an easy thing to do now that we have the front wheel and the bike's off the ground. This will make the rest of assembly more convenient. It only requires a few simple hand tools to mount the side stand. We're going to use a 14mm wrench for the nut, 17mm wrench for the bolt. You can see that bolt is the one with the large shoulder on it. We've got the spring, the side stand, and we're going to use a screwdriver to help pry that spring over. Now, putting on this side stand is as easy as wrestling a bear. The first thing you want to do is put the bolt through from the front side. We'll loosely put the nut on the rear. And now for the spring. He's going to put the long side of the spring over the front tab and then pry with a screwdriver to slide it down over. Now we'll tighten down that bolt as well as the nut.